Okay everybody, today we're going to cover B major 7. Okay, B major 7. First one we'll hit is kind of an easy one over here. So let's do this one. You're going to have your pointer finger on the 2nd fret of the A string. If you start off with the A major 7 alternative fingering, just slide it up 2 frets and put down your pointer finger on the 2nd fret. You got B major 7. So your pointer is on the A string 2nd fret, your ring finger is on the 4th string of the D string, your middle finger is on the 3rd fret of the G string, and your pinky is on the B string 4th fret. Okay, now there's another B7 right here. So you're going to take your pointer finger, bar 4 strings on the 4th fret, and you could either use your ring finger or your pinky to put it down on the 6th fret of the high E string. You're going to pluck 4 strings. Okay, another B major 7 is over here. So your pointer finger is on the 7th fret of the low E string, your middle finger is on the 7th fret of the B string, your ring finger is on the 8th fret of the D string, and your pinky is on the 8th fret of the G string. And you're going to strum 4 strings. You got to keep that A muted. And keep the E muted. Okay, nice sounding chord. Okay, another B major 7 sits up here. You're going to take your middle finger and you're going to use it to go across the D string and the A string at the 9th fret. Then you're going to use your pointer finger for the 8th fret of the G string, and you're going to cover the B and the E string with your pinky. It's a 5-string strum. Okay, another B major 7 is over here. So you're going to take your pinky, put it on the 14th fret of the A string. Your ring finger is on the 13th fret of the D string, and you're going to just use, you could bar the G, the B, and the E with your pointer finger, or you could just play it as a 4-string strum where your pointer finger is on the G string and the B string of the 11th fret. But if you want to, you could use these 3 strings, the G, the B, and the E, where your pointer finger is covering it, and you get that as a 5 straight up. Okay, another B major 7 is right here. It's basically the exact same chord as this, just brought an octave higher. Okay, so you got your pointer finger on the 14th fret of the A string, your ring finger is on the 16th fret of the D string, your middle finger is on the 15th fret of the G string, and your pinky is on the 16th fret, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, 16th fret of the B string. 4-string strum. Okay, last but not least, I did pass this one by. There's a B major 7 right here. It's basically in a D, like David minor, alternative fingering that you slide up to 1 fret. Now what you do is you put your pointer finger down on the 2nd fret of the A string. You strum 4 strings. The D string should be muted. also play that one up here. 14th fret, point the finger. 14th fret, middle finger on the high E string. Your middle finger is on the 15th fret of the G string, and your pinky is on the 16th fret of the B string. That about covers B major 7.